Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into what might just be the best backpack camping chair out there, the Caribbean Joe Folding Beach Chair. Whether you're heading to the beach, camping in the woods, or just chilling in your backyard, this chair promises comfort, portability, and style. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk features.
This chair is designed with outdoor enthusiasts in mind. It's crafted from durable materials including aluminum and fade-resistant polyester, ensuring it can handle whatever Mother Nature throws at it. The Caribbean Joe chair boasts a sturdy steel frame, supporting up to 300 pounds, which means it's not just lightweight but also robust.
One of the standout features here is portability.
It folds up easily and comes with convenient backpack straps, making it a breeze to carry to your favorite outdoor spots. Whether you're trekking through sand, grass, or even gravel, this chair's got your back literally. Now, let's get down to comfort.
The Caribbean Joe chair offers 4 reclining positions, from upright for socializing to fully reclined for soaking up the sun. It includes a plush headrest and wooden armrests, adding a touch of luxury to your outdoor relaxation experience. What about practicality? Well, it's not just a pretty face. This chair is designed to be low profile, fitting snugly under umbrellas or tents.
It's easy to clean, too, and its vibrant colors stay true thanks to its fade-resistant fabric. So, is the Caribbean Joe Folding Beach Chair worth your hard-earned dollars?
Absolutely. It combines durability, comfort, and style in a package that's perfect for any outdoor adventure. Whether you're lounging on the beach, enjoying a camping trip, or simply relaxing in your backyard, this chair delivers. And with its portable design and thoughtful features, it's easy to see why it's a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts. If you're interested in picking one up for yourself, I've left a link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy relaxing.